Hey, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Let's take a big breath by the ocean, by the sea. Long, slow inhale. Longer, slower exhale. Let the light of the sun come whooshing in, like the waves that crash on the quiet shore. Good morning, good morning. Come on in. The weather was different when I woke up this morning than it was supposed to be, and I rushed up here to the beach to share this glorious, still morning. So quiet and still. Good morning, good morning. Big breath in. Big breath out. Good morning from here to the Midwest. Hear that possibility in the waves and the tides that come in and the tides that go out. Tonight at midnight where I live, it's the full moon. Maybe it's at 12:04. Anyway, sometime in the middle of the night. The new moon. It's a time of setting intention. Do you know what an intention is? Intending to be well and wrapping all the vision around what that feels like. What does it look like, sound like, taste like when you've realized a dream? Breathe in and get really super present with yourself on the next inhale. As you join me at the shoreline with the sun rising out of the sea. Breathe in again. As you settle in, good morning. Feel the rhythm of your heart and bring all your attention to your heart. So breathe in, attention on your heart. Inhale. Exhale. What happens when you move your attention to your heart? Where you put your attention is where you put your energy. Can you put all your attention in your heart with your breath? So that you breathe in the ocean of love and consciousness and sunlight. Inhale all that energy into your heart. And then exhale with that wave that goes out. I think the waves are moving a little too quickly to breathe with the rhythm of the ocean right now. At the top of the tide, but let your breath slow down. Ladies and gentlemen, as you move in through your heart and out through your heart. Breathe in again and breathe out again. And then put one hand on your heart and another on your belly. And listen to the wake, the sound of what happens in your body from having put all your attention on your heart with your breath for just a few minutes. 2 minutes we did that. What is the ripple, the wake? What comes in on the shoreline of your body from changing your attention in this way? And breathe in again and relax. And then let's move into the bringing both your hands together, rub them together so they're warm. Put your thumbs on your sternum. Inhale, let your whole self rise through your body, that lifts your sternum. So from the inhale, from the roots of you lift up through your body, which lifts your sternum into that prayer of your hands together in front of your heart. And bow your head on your next exhale. And ask your body, what's her intention? What's his intention? What's the intention of this body, this temple of yours? How does the temple want to feel when we get up from this meditation? That's part of the intention, the dream, making it real. What will you feel like when your feet move across the floor, when you sit up or stand up or open your eyes after meditation? What will the sounds, the colors, the lights be that you hear on the shore of your life, of your body? Come into this beautiful shore. Come into the temple, the castle of your being. And then on your next exhale, exhale that intention out into the world. Let it go out on the waves, into the ocean, make a ripple. Your intention for practice this morning. Now that you've centered in your heart, in your belly. Inhale, draw the intention in, give it to yourself. Exhale, reach your arms up. Reach, 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 reach for that sunlight. We do a fun game in Lake Titicaca where we hold the sun between our hands. Hold the sun between your hands. Maybe line up your 8th center with the sunlight. Reach up higher. Exhale to one side. Open your side body. Slide your hand down that side body so that you can really feel the expansion of your becoming. Inhale, reach up again, both arms. Maybe line yourself up with the sun right behind you. Exhale, move over to the other side. Lean over, open the side body. Touch from your arm down through your armpit. Slide. Open the side ribs. Inhale, reach up again. Exhale, spread arms like wings down along the sides of you, opening that sunlight connection through your whole body. Notice what's shifted. Can you breathe more? Do you show up more fully for yourself? What's happening in the rainbow of your being as you come into this day? As we come in and breathe together. And then both hands on your belly, above and below your belly button. Our gut feeling, our intuition, our gut knowing. One hand above your belly button, one hand below your belly button. What is the gut feeling? What is the intention for this new moon cycle? Is it the new moon in Leo? I don't even know. This February new moon, this new moon, whenever you show up to set a new moon intention, what's the seed you want to plant deep in the earth of your belly? What is your belly's longing? How do we want to feel together, collectively, at the end of this cycle in 2 weeks? Or maybe it's 28 days if you do the whole new moon cycle from new moon to new moon. I ask, even as I go into this dark moon night, to feel even lower, even lighter. I receive and notice in this moment that the computer will sleep soon if not plugged in. So as much as I'd love to plug it into this beautiful solar array that I have here, technology will not support me in that in this moment. So what's your intention from your belly? Breathe through your heart. Draw love, compassion, gratitude in through your heart, and exhale and send it down into your belly so that you bring love to that intention. that you share that intention with gratitude. Speak it out loud in your space and make it clear. My intention is to feel lighter physically, lighter in my thoughts and feelings, lighter in my soul and energetically. And then as it's funny, as I move through that lightness of being to my soul, lightness of soul, maybe clearing and healing. We'll do one more healing thing before we go, or before my battery goes this morning. I realize that in energy, I am all light. So I lean into the light of my energy, and I invite you to do the same. Bring that light down through love of your heart, gratitude. Thank you, thank you, thank you for sharing this practice with me this morning. And then bring that into the intention. Make your intention clear. Ask for what you want. Say help to Spirit. We say thanks. And then we say, wow. How did that gift happen? Love, care, and compassion. Yes, yes, yes. What's your intention this morning? As you drop into this wave of consciousness, you're so welcome. Thank you for being here with me. Get really clear about that intention. Again, new moon maximizes the energy. I was told yesterday that when there's solar flares, big solar activity, it also helps to magnify the power of our intentions. So maybe, again, I'm feeling so much lake energy today. This is actually last time I was here. I wish I had recorded a lake video. Lake Titicaca, this energy of being with the sun and the lake practices, solar practices. We get up at sunrise to get the download of those solar flares. So imagine that there's little flares of light coming off the sun, magnifying your intentions for this new moon time. Feel the wisdom of that. And notice, and then rub your hands together again and notice, put one hand on your heart, one hand on your belly, and notice what's shifted for you right now. How do you feel different? What's showing up? Maybe you set an intention for your practice. Maybe you didn't. Maybe you came in and joined. How do you feel now, and how close is it to that intention that you set? I notice in myself a fullness in my heart, a connection to the light of the sun, to work with light and love, with spirit. What a beautiful intention to weave it, to sew it into the fabric of life. As we tune to this place up here on earth. Good morning to my dear friends in Nashville, in Armonk, in Indianapolis. Good morning out to the vineyard, stretching across this ocean to friends in other lands. Share your new moon intention in the chat. Share the practice as an intention of spreading love and gratitude and heart-focused connection. This is an easy, gentle practice to bring us into our heart. And just by bringing our attention there, expanding our awareness and magnifying the energies and frequencies and resonance even more into the world from our hearts. In the land of infinite, of connection, of inviting the solar to nourish the power of my computer. It's so funny that my power is staying at 8% for the last many, many, many minutes. The power of 8 to hold together us energy in the infinite. The power of us coming together in the collective. Beautiful. Now I have 8 hearts. That's so funny. The power of us holding together in the collective, our intentions, and coming together to breathe. It's lovely to be with you on a Sunday morning to share this practice. I encourage you to speak your intention, to revisit it today, to make it clearer for this new moon, or maybe this coming spring is rising. Maybe you can hear the birds and the ocean this morning. Come all the way in again, one more time together. Let's take a big breath in and a big breath out. Breathe in to the consciousness of your body. Hello, body. Good morning, body. What would you like to do today? Ask her, ask him, ask this body. Hello, my body. What do you need today? How would you like to be nourished? Maybe one of your intentions could be to nourish yourself so that you can nourish others. I stand before you with love and service and wisdom. I share this practice with you as a gift from my heart to yours. Have a very beautiful day. Enjoy the horizon of possibility as you lean into the new moon energy. Thank you for joining me live. Ta-ta for now.